Welcome all. This is our lecture 21, and in this lecture we will learn about the attributes of the frameset tag. What are the attributes of frameset? What are the use and how can we use that in the programming? Let's start. The list of attributes are as first attribute is calls. Calls is for if we want to divide the browser screen into columns. As we have seen the example, the previous video, we want to divide the browser screen into columns. Then we will use the attribute calls. The second one is rows. When we will or when we want to divide the browser screen into rows like these, then we will use the attribute rows. Next one is border. Border means if this is the divider of the screen and we want to change the pixel size, or we want to bold these accordingly, so we can use the border attribute. Okay, the next attribute is frame border. We can use the, or we can make the border of a frame also. And the values will be 0 and 1. The next attribute is frames spacing. It means the space between the frames. As if we have two frames and we want some space between two particular frames, then that can be adjusted by the frame spacing attribute. Syntax, check the syntax. If we want to use the calls, we will use the element frameset, use the attribute calls, rows, frame spacing, etc. Give the value in pixels or in percentage. Here there is a special sign, that is asterisk star sign. This is most important to know. Then this sign indicates the remaining space. Remaining space means, as look at this example, here we have take, or we want to divide the browser screen into three different rows, that is 33%, 33%, and I have used asterisk. It means the remaining space 33 plus 33, 66, and the remaining space, that is 34%, that is all remaining space will indicates or will acquired by the this asterisk. Okay, calls, you can use this. This is the example of frameset tag. You can perform this and apply this. It's like in this example, we have divided the browser screen into three different rows, 20%, 60%, 20%, and all these three we have loaded by different files. Clear? This is the example. So this is all done in this lecture. Prepare your notes